Sound in content creation is one of the most important things in content creation, and today I've come to review one of the most underrated and cheapest sound you can get on the market. This is the K9 microphone. K9 wireless microphone. This is one of the most underrated and cheapest microphones. You can get it at around $5 to $10 on Amazon. That means it is cheap. You have no excuse when you are just starting up content creation. You need good sound. And today we are reviewing this K9 microphone. It is one of the most underrated wireless microphone you can get on market. It comes in this box, as you can see. They come two microphones, this one and this one, the one I'm using right now, and it comes with the OTG connector for iPhone users, and it comes with Type-C. So it is a plug and play microphone. It is one of the cheapest microphones. Welcome, this is Wizzy Labs. We teach strategies on how to grow on YouTube, proven and tested strategies on how to gain watch hours fast, how to gain organic subscribers on your channel. But today I've come with another topic of microphone, because you need good sound in content creation. You need to have great sound. So this microphone is one of the most underrated. As you can see, it can capture in more than 20 meters. It can capture in more than 20 meters. That means you can put your phone somewhere or your camera somewhere and you move 20 meters away. It can still capture. It has high sensitivity. As you can see here, we have wrote it has high sensitivity. You can use it to do live shows, interviews, and many things. You can use it to do vlogs. This is a full microphone and cheap. For starters, you can use this microphone. Right here they say it is highly sensitive. It is sensitive and it is a condenser. It can remove background noise in the sound. It removes background noise in the sound. So today, this is the K9 microphone that we are reviewing right now. It comes, as I told you, they come to, it comes inside. There is this USB for charging it, Type-C for charging these microphones, and it is pretty cool and cheap for starters for YouTube. If you want to start up blogs, interviews, you can use the microphone, and they can last more than 2. They can last more than 2 hours. 2 hours using this one can last for 2 hours, and this one 2 hours. That means you have 4 hours combined. If you are a solo, you're doing solo. If you are doing interview, you can give this one to someone, and then you use this one. You can still that for 2 hours consecutively. So this is one of the cheapest and coolest microphone you can get on the market. As you can see here, you just plug and play. It is a plug and play microphone. It is a plug and play microphone. So don't forget to subscribe on Wizzy Labs, because we teach you on how to grow on YouTube. Today I've just told this topic because sound is very important in content creation. Don't forget to subscribe to Wizzy Labs.